In this video I show you how to install Xubuntu 2104. Besides a computer to install it on, you need a USB drive and the ISO file. And we need to download it from the website xubuntu.org. Go to their download page. The 2004 release is gonna be on the top, but we want the second one, the 2104. You can download the ISO file as a torrent or from one of their mirrors. I'm gonna go with the torrent version because that's what they recommend. Next we are gonna flash our ISO file to our USB. I'm gonna use Berliner Edge for this, but you could use something else. Make sure your USB drive is empty or doesn't contain anything important because this is gonna delete everything on it. Navigate to the ISO file, select the right USB drive, and then flash it. This process took about 3 minutes. And now the name of the USB drive has changed to Xubuntu. I safely remove it. And now we plug it into the computer we want to install it on and boot from the USB. This took way too long for me because I couldn't figure out how to enter the BIOS. This varies from computer to computer. I just changed the boot order so the USB is on top. And then reboot. And yes, it works. Just select the already highlighted option. I want to install, so I choose install. Then I choose my keyboard layout and make a little test of it. Updates are nice, so I connect to my Wi-Fi. It will not tell you if you connected successfully. I don't want anything special, so I just go for a normal installation. And I opt in for updates. I have no idea if I need any of these third-party software drivers, but I think it sounds okay to have. And then I also configure the secure boot because security is nice. I'm in the mood to get completely rid of Windows. And files I want to keep are somewhere else, because I'm gonna go for the erase disk option, which is gonna delete everything. I let the advanced options be as they are. Please make sure you understand the warning that everything is gonna be deleted. It automatically detects my time zone correctly, and then I attempt to be creative in naming my computer and user. I waited around 15 minutes for the installation. And then we have to restart the computer. And this process is actually very helpful because it tells you when you have to remove the installation medium. Do that and then press enter. Continue boot if asked. And now you will be asked to log in for the first time and then it's working. You may be asked for updates at this point and you may as well install them. Otherwise it's up and running now, so you can do whatever you want. Congratulations!